I got some light fixtures hanging crooked because they're mounted to the siding there. I got a quick fix for this. I'm just going to make some shims and mount the fixture to the shim itself. This is cedar siding. I happen to have a block of cedar in my garage. You can use whatever you have. I started by marking my shims the size. I need 3/4 to nothing, about 7 inches, and I need about 6 of these things. So I cut from both sides with my circular saw on that block, and then I'll finish it off with a hand saw, and then you end up with, you know, something like this, and I clean up the rough edges and whatever. And then moving back to the mounting ring for the light fixture itself, I centered it on that block. Make sure the light fixture is going to sit completely on the block, and then I'll drill some holes for the wires, and holes for the mounting screws to move, you know, back and forth a little bit for adjustment. And here's a quick way to do this. Center that where you need it to be, and then just tap those screws, and it'll make a little dent in the wood. You can you know, make your little relief cuts in that with a drill bit. So after I did all that, a little bit of stain on them, mounted them to the wall, and then put my mounting rings on there. The wire, there was no electrical box or anything like that, so I just kind of had to work with what was here. But so the wires are poking out, and I'll mount the fixture after the stain dries, and then yeah, that's kind of a quick fix for that. So after that dried a little bit, I just had to mount the fixture, and you can see, you can't really see that block all that much unless you look really close. So, you know, if you get some crooked fixtures, you know, you might be able to fix it with a shim. So, hope that helps.